You have gone into an election that you claim you won the election by some 400 and something votes. Is that not the case? Now, the same constituency, the same voter register, you may have one or two people who are now no more with us, or who might have left the constituency. The same situation affects both sides. Go back and re-establish yourself, your authority on that constituency, that indeed any given day, time, hour, if we are called upon to do a rerun in Ablekuma North, we will still win. You are saying you are not going to take part. Where from this? Now, as an opposition party, wouldn't that even re-engineer or reinvigorate the base of your party, that in spite of your abysmal performance in the last elections, you still have your base intact, and that given any time you can still recapture your strongholds? What sort of political strategy is this?
And his theory confirms that.
You understand?
And the base should be...
What is this? Look, the last time there was a match at the Accra Sports Stadium, that was about 2011. You remember Jerry Asari? Maybe you don't like football, so you don't know him. Kotoko was playing a match. The man went and cut the football and said, "Yeah, mobile." He thought by cutting the ball, the match, that they would give the points to Kotoko. When the match was done, Kotoko was even banned on top of that. If the NPP says, "Woman mobile," if they are not going to contest, they must leave us peacefully. If there was any opportunity that we could present or fill the movement for change member in this election, we would have been there immediately to contest the National Democratic Congress. Why? You do want to deny the people of Ablekuma North the opportunity of having a representative, as was done to the people of Sahara? No, we cannot continue like that. 19 polling stations, let the elders of the party, the NPP, come out boldly and strongly. Let those that wish the party will come out boldly and call these young guys out, those that are leading the party astray, that they are destroying the one beautiful party. As a movement for change member that is very soon turning into a political party, I don't wish them collapse. I want to see them survive. But the point is that the right thing must be done.
Yeah, but those statements it's the party's position. It's the position of the party. It's not a position of the young guys who they speak for the party.
They speak for the party.
Yes,
that is their position. So the position is that a referee says the match that was organized, there were infractions. There was rain that called it off. Come back and let's play. You say you are not playing, and you are. This morning I even listened to the general secretary. He was even warning that should they see their candidate's picture on the ballot, they are going to sue the electoral commissioner. The mere fact that the picture will be on the ballot will amount to a court process. So please, let them come clear. Let them write to the Electoral Commission if indeed they mean business, so that declaration, or how do they call it? Is it no, give me the term.
What are you trying to say? I don't know what you're trying to say.
Acclamation or whatever.
Yes, acclamation.
Let them go and acclaim the NDC candidate and let us move on.
Right.